Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, 5th of June 24, and I'm going to analyze DAX. So, as usual, pre-market analysis. So, before we jump into the chart, let's look at what is the major and minor news for today. So, we've got some minor sort of news with regard to German data, which is the final service PMI. So waiting for that, and also we've got the Euro PMI as well. But the major news that we do have in the New York session, we've got the ADP, advanced automatic data processing for NFP, which is non-farm employment change. And also we got the ISM service. So these two are so critical for today's trading. So I also look at the economic calendar. So you can click on the high important news. It gives you the ISM as the high importance news. So bear in mind, you can also check different countries' news, like Germany in our case. So on the higher time frame, what we had yesterday, so we let's say from the beginning of the week. So we had the push to the upside for Monday, and we had that massive drop. We lost that support again. And we tested this zone, which is 18,000, nearly 400. So we're now coming up to retest this zone and perhaps move down again, because we're making lower highs and we're making lower lows on the 4 hour. On the daily, that also looks like more bearish than in even sideways move. So we had the sideways move here, but then from this day onwards we started going more bearish. So this is a higher time frame which is worth looking at. But if you look at the 30 minutes, what you can see, so this is the Monday one I just mentioned. So we broke this, coming back down even yesterday again, retested it, making the lower highs and lower lows, and now we again trying to retest this. So the few scenarios that I do have in my head, which I'm going to go in a minute, but it's best to look at what is actually possible in terms of if price break above the Asian range high, we could see higher zones here. Or if it does break Asian range low, we could see low zones, which we have seen in the past, we're looking at the zones that we have, which has been created before. So these 2 points are the ADR range. So I'm not going to be trading beyond these limits of the day, which is the ADR stands for average daily range. So a low probability trade idea for today would be break of this Asian range high and possibly break of this zone and move to the upside. And having said that, again, I think it's a lower probability, but it's part of the being adaptive. So that could be possible if prices break above this zone. So, but the higher probability trade, as you can see on the high time frames, we're looking at more like a downtrend, are these two scenarios where if we break Asian range low, we could see a couple of trades, or at least one trade, to go down. So these are the 2 or 3 ideas that I do have for today. I hope you found it useful, and do like this video if you find it useful. Thank you very much for today. See you tomorrow.